MagicDoor's AI makes maintenance requests very easy by taking text messages from tenants, turning them into maintenance requests, starting triage, and then turning them into work orders if necessary. So here's kind of how that works. Here we have a tenant named Cassie who messaged that her garbage disposal was not working. The AI automatically responded asking if they had permission to enter the unit. Cassie said yes, and then the AI automatically created a maintenance request. So then if we navigate to maintenance and go to maintenance requests, we see her request, garbage disposal not working. It has an AI score or a priority score of 40, and it's already awaiting a work order. If we click on this maintenance request and then we go to communications, we can even see that just for this maintenance request, AI already started its triage, asking if it made any noises when she tried to turn it on, if there's any foreign objects, so on and so forth, until it got to the point where the AI could not solve the problem and then created a work order. So now when we go to this maintenance request, it says that it is waiting for that work order, which means it's just pending for the vendor.